Alright, it's been 78 days and I really need to get this strained so I can start using it in the garden. So let's go ahead and get it opened up. Looks like it's got a little bit of mold on it right there. It doesn't really smell bad. It smells kind of weird. We're going to be dumping it into another bucket with a strainer in there. Alright, so I just have a little bit of water here in this bucket and I'm going to add some of the fish emulsion into there. I'm not really sure how diluted I should make this, but I'm just going to add some to the water and then feed it to one of my plants and see how it does. Alright, now I'm going to go water one of my plants with this. I'll probably add some more water on top of it. We'll see how it does, see if it helps the plant out. Thanks for watching.